happens when tempers flare on the open road? This video is your answer. Let's find out. Challenge doubles when you have to drive in the rain and share the road with a reckless guy. Don't drive so fast like that. People invented the traffic light for a reason. There are some scenarios that are supposed to be in VR only. This is one example. Too many bad drivers out there. Such a terrible accident is an alarming lesson on carefulness on the road. Friendship test of motorbikers.
That's
Pretty sure Vin Diesel was taking the wheel. Sudden stops can lead to serious consequences. Be aware of your surroundings.
Are you fucking serious? Get off the road! Move! Get off the road! Get off the road! Move! You fucking stupid!
This is why only a few people dare to join a car race. consequences of reckless driving are clear in these clips. The truck seemed to lose control, but luckily the driver managed to get it back on track. An expensive lesson on running a red light. Does anyone agree that road rage is just making the situation worse? The blinker seemed invisible to some dudes. If your boss asks why you're late today, send this video to him.